welcome to a new series by a rock hero who enjoys doing maths and loves TT. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks as we go through this series. I'm going to play games which I have an average of 0.47 per question. This means I have 128 on average per game. So we're going to start this first game and I'm going to tell you a tip. The tip I find the most useful is to relax throughout the game. This can increase my performance level by up to 5% I found. I believe this is a very useful tip as if you're stressed you're not going to be able to concentrate on the game. I feel that relaxing can also make you feel good about the game you've just done rather than being annoyed with yourself if you didn't get the score you're aiming for. So as we finish this game, I'm happy with the result, however this can be improved further. I got 117 and second was close behind. Well done to them, but the next tip is to use jamming. This is very useful as you can practice multiplication, division or both. You can practice any one you're not confident with. I'm not confident with division with 6 times tables, so I'm going to practice this as you can see. This can practice accuracy, but also your knowledge of times tables. This is especially good for new players as they can learn their times tables. I struggle with 6 times tables because I never learnt this one very well. However, I still do well. In the end, I got 27 out of 30 with 3 wrong, but I can keep practicing this. I'm going to tell you the next tip. This tip I find is the most useful tip in this video. Using the number pad. I use 2 fingers, one for enter and one to type the number. It is very crucial to learn the place of the key on the number pad. You find this on most keyboards on a computer. I highly advise purchasing one or using one you already have. This is what I've used in all these videos and I still use it today. To the end, I managed to win, but only very close. Well done to second place, we got 86 and we're going to the next game. In this last game, I'm going to tell one of my favourite tips, which is to look at the next question. Because there's 2 questions, it can help your performance, as you know the answer to the next question before it's even the main question there. It may sound confusing at first, but trust me, it is a very good tip. I have only used it recently, however I have noticed a significant difference. I know people who automatically do it and can get up to 150. This game was quite tense for me, however using this tip I managed to beat the other 2 players who were close behind. I'm going to leave it with that and thank you for watching. Goodbye.